What is going on, YouTube? It's Ryan with Tundra 4x4.club, and I want to thank you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and that bell icon so you can see every single time that we make a video. Now, before we get started with today's topic, I wanted to let you guys know that we do have the Tundra 4x4.club stickers now available, and I'm going to let you know how you can get your free copy. If you are interested in one of these stickers, free of course, then here's what you can do. You can take any of our videos, whichever one that you like, and you can post them onto your social media site. Go ahead and hashtag Tundra 4x4.club, and so that we can see it. If it remains up for 24 hours, then go ahead and shoot me an email, ryan@tundra4x4.club, and I will make sure that you get your stickers ASAP. So today's topic, you know, it's a rookie mistake on my part. We installed on this 2015 Tundra, we installed the Bilstein 6112s and the 5160. I made the mistake of, at the time, not going with a diff drop kit or a differential drop kit. So today, as I was cleaning up the truck from last week's desert run, I was taking a look at the angle of the CV joint. I'm going to show you right here in this video. And you can see right about here the angle that the CV joint is, and we want to try to make it a little bit more horizontal with the ground. So I have already placed the order for my diff drop kit, and shame on me because I should have known better than to roll around with this 2.5-inch lift without a diff drop kit. Now you're going to have all sorts of speculation, and you're going to see things online. Is it necessary? Is it unnecessary? But here's the deal. The diff drop kit is so inexpensive and acts as an insurance that it would be almost, I don't want to use the word idiotic, but it's so simplistic, so cheap, that you would be a fool not to add it on. It honestly will drop the diff just a little bit and make sure that you are back on par with exactly what the manufacturer wants as far as the angles. And all it's going to do is increase the longevity of your vehicle, especially if you're doing some hardcore off-road stuff. So I will tell you, we have ordered the diff drop kit, and we will be installing it probably next week and get this thing back to par, if you will. Once again, I want to let you guys know we are on Instagram, we are on Facebook, and we are on Twitter. So go ahead and make sure that you follow us there. Thank you for your time today. Thank you for watching this video. And if you just subscribed, I thank you for that too. And we'll catch you next time on the back roads.